if I'm not at home, can I stand my ground in public?
Depending upon what the event is, depending upon where this thing takes place at, depending upon what actually happens. Yes, the answer to that question can be yes, absolutely can be yes.
Right, and it's the same sort of analysis you said.
Yes, because there is a but, and but becomes a big word. Becomes a very big word.
Right. So if you're merely, walking down the street, or you're standing, you're at the park, and somebody puts you, what you believe to be in some sort of serious danger, you or your family with you. As long as your perception is reasonable, and other people would agree that was reasonable, you may stand your ground, and there's a little likelihood you'll be prosecuted, or if you're prosecuted, there's a very good chance you will be found not guilty.
You may use lethal force, but you have to recognize that once a life is taken, the circumstances, the situation is going to be microscopically analyzed to determine if, in fact, your action was justified. Right. Because, again, that's the ultimate act.
It's the ultimate act, and we don't want people to think that this is licensed to just go back to the days of the Wild West. In fact, that's what a lot of the critics are saying.
Exactly.
People think, well, I'm just standing my ground. That guy looked at me funny, and I saw that he had a bulge in his hip pocket, and I thought maybe he was going to do something bad, but nobody's reaching for anything. Nobody's saying and doing the things that say, I'm going to get you. These things go under the microscope, and please, in other words, the cautionary tale here is, do not use that kind of force if you have any reasonable means of avoiding it.
Absolutely.
Leave the scene.
Absolutely.
Walk away.
The fact is that once we walk out of our house with a gun in our pocket, that's a statement we've made.
Yeah.
That's a statement we've made. And so everything else comes as a result of that initial statement we've made because we left our house with a gun in our pocket.
Yeah, things kind of escalate. If you've got a gun and you think that other person has a gun, you may be thinking, well, if I was in that guy's shoes and I saw somebody with a gun, what would I do? It's generally a bad idea to walk around with a weapon. It could go off accidentally, and you could cause serious harm, never intending.
In the number of instances when that accidental shooting happens, Allegiant, seemingly every day,
yeah,
there's another
all
one
the time.
Every day.
Well,